Hi everyone, welcome back to ELA. Let's put on our thinking caps and our listening ears and get ready to learn a new sound and review all the sounds we've already learned. So we're going to start by reviewing the sounds that we know, and then we're going to learn a new one. And as we meet a new one, we're also going to meet a new zoo friend. Isn't that exciting? I'm excited. Let's go. Allie alligator. Ah, ah. Ah. Katina cat. K, k, k. Dee dee deer. D, d, d. Francie fish. Gordo gorilla. G, g, g. Honey horse. Any inchworm. I, I, I. Missy mouse. Nigel night owl. Ollie octopus. Ah. Petey penguin. P, 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 p. Sammy snake. S. Timothy tiger. T, t, t. Vincent vampire bat. Zeke zebra. Zzz. And who are we going to meet today? What letter are we going to focus on? Let's see. Oh, it's going to be the letter E. My ebook. Let's find out what happens with little E.
My ebook.
Little E had a box. I will fill my box, he said. Little E found eggs. And I'll tell you why these eggs are significant. Eggs start with ah, and ah is the sound that E makes. Say it with me. Ah. Take a look at the shape of my mouth while I say that sound. Ah. It's in between I, which is like a smile, and ah, where your jaw is a little bit down. It's ah, ah. Let's find out what he does with the eggs. Eggs and eggs. Oh wow, he found a lot of eggs. He put the eggs into his box. Little E found elves. The elves danced and danced. What do you think he's going to do with the elves once they're done dancing? Little E put the elves into his box. Why did he put the elves into his box? Because elves start with ah. The elves played with the eggs. Be careful, elves, said little E. Now the box was heavy. Little E found an elephant, a big elephant. What do you notice about elephant? It starts with ah, and that brings us to our zoo friend, Ellie Elephant. And she holds her trunk out like this and she says, ah. Can you hold your trunk out and say ah? Ah. Awesome. Ellie Elephant. Ah. Let's find out what happens next. Hop on, said the elephant. The elephant went up and down. Whoa! The eggs fell out of the box. Oh no! The elves did too. So did little E. What a mess, little E said. Now who will help me fill my box? An Eskimo came by. I will help you, he said. What's special about the Eskimo? Eskimo starts with yeah. We will find lots of eggs. Guess where he found eggs for little E? Where did he find them? Guess who had pretty eggs for everyone? Yay! So he found eggs at the Easter Bunny's house. Let's take a look at all the words that start with elephant, eggs, elves, and Eskimo. More words with little E. Say elevator, envelope, oh, and this is another sound that E says. E also says its name, E, but we're not going to worry about that just yet. So let's take a look again at our new zoo friend that we met today, Ellie Elephant. Do you remember what Ellie Elephant says? Yeah, she says, She moves her trunk back and forth. She says, Great job, boys and girls. Now go learn how to write our new sound.